Hello everyone. Today I have this key fob from Nissan Xterra 2012. This key fob works, but the unlock button does not work. It doesn't even sound like the others, like this one, if you can hear it. And the other one, like this one, also works, but not the unlock button. Let's open it. First, let's test it on this frequency counter device. If you can see, the lock button works, and also switch it off, switch it back on, and the horn button works, but not the unlock, because it doesn't feel it's pressing. So let's open it. Okay. And while we are here, let's test this battery. The battery is good, 3.2 volts. So let's inspect the circuit board. Here is the circuit board. Let's take it out. Okay, as you can see, one of the switches, the one in the middle, is not good. This metal part of the switch has fallen off, and also this yellow thing. So this switch must be replaced. Let's take a look under the microscope. So here is the board under the microscope. As you can see, this is the lock button, which is intact. This is the unlock button, and it seems that it has been replaced before. So, and here is the horn button. I will replace this button with a switch. I have this one, not this one. Let me take another one. This one. Okay. I will use the hot air gun because it's already faulty, and then I will solder the new one with a soldering iron. Okay. This switch looks a little bit bigger, but I think it will work. let's clean it up and then we'll test it together. Okay, so I replaced the broken switch. So now let's test it together. If it is going to click and show some readings on this counter, frequency counter. Okay. So this one, the lock button. Let me try the unlock button, the one they have just fixed. Yes, it does work. So here is the key fob and it's fully working. Thank you for watching.